If LDPlayer keeps getting stuck at 94% while loading, yeah, you're not the only one. The good news is that this is usually caused by a setting or software conflict, and it's pretty easy to fix. First, close LDPlayer completely and restart your computer. Temporary system glitches can sometimes stop the emulator from loading past 94%. Next, check whether virtualization is enabled in your BIOS settings. LDPlayer often gets stuck during startup if Intel VT or AMD V is turned off. After that, turn off Hyper-V in Windows. Hyper-V can conflict with LDPlayer and cause it to freeze during loading. You should also update your graphics driver. Yeah, outdated GPU drivers are one of the most common reasons LDPlayer hangs at 94%. Next, right-click LDPlayer and choose Run as Administrator. This gives the emulator the permissions it needs to load correctly. If nothing else works, uninstall LDPlayer and install the latest version from the official website. So if some files are damaged or outdated, reinstalling usually fixes the problem. And that's it. One of these fixes should get LDPlayer past 94% and running normally again.